Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of the toggles for the jeans on Dress to Impress. So as you can see, we have these jeans and also these ones. The only one that has a toggle are these jeans, are these shorts. So we have these shorts. We also have the low rise and the Y2K low rise that looks like this, as well as the mini shorts. So for these jeans, there's this toggle. Sorry, let me just remove that. There's the low rise, Y2K low rise. You can turn off the flower. You can also add rips and these like star rips as well to it. And then for these jeans, there's also the same options, but you can actually just add pockets for these ones. And then this one's pretty much the same, low rise, Y2K low rise, as well as this one. There's a low rise and a Y2K low rise. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.